In this video, I'll show you how to reset the picture settings on your Samsung Smart TV. So what you need to do is to take your remote control, and even if it does not look like this one, you should have a home button over here. If your remote control have a settings button like mine on the lower left side, click on it. It's a shortcut. I'll show you how to get to the settings using the home button. So if you press on it, you're going to use the left side or right side arrow to navigate over here until settings is selected. On newer Samsung models, I know that settings could be on the right side and it says all settings. So you need to press the right side arrow. Then once you're over it, press enter. And then from here, make sure picture is selected. Press the right side arrow. Select expert settings. Okay. And then we need to go all the way down here. And the last option should be reset picture. Click OK. Then left side arrow, click OK once more. And you're going to have this message, the picture settings have been resetted. Now, hopefully this will solve your issue, but if you're still having problems with the screen of your Samsung TV, I'll show you what to do next. So while the TV is turned on, remove the power outlet, disconnect it. Now under your Samsung TV, there should be a button. Mine is located right over here on the right side, but yours can be located in the middle or even on the left side. What you need to do is to keep press this button during 30 seconds. Do not let it go. Even if the TV is currently unplugged, this will remove any remaining charge. After 30 seconds, you can release the button. Now it's time to wait 5 minutes. Do not do anything, do not touch the TV. After this 5 minutes has passed, take the power cable and we'll connect it directly to a wall socket. Do not connect to a power strip because sometimes this is causing the problem. After doing this, it's time to turn on your Samsung TV, and what you need to do is to turn it on using the same button you used previously. Do not use the remote control. So just by tapping it once, the TV should turn on and your problem should be gone. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe. If you have other solutions on how to fix a screen that is not working properly on your Samsung TV, please write a comment down below and I'll see you in the next video.